It's not for me to show his feelings. Feelings? Yeah. You know, those things you find so bad.
We're here in the Prada Mode on pop-up in London that is running from the 17th of October until the 19th of October, and it is located in the new town hall at King's Cross.
This year's edition centers around The Audience, an immersive installation by the acclaimed artist duo Elmgreen and Dragset, known for their subversive and thought-provoking works. Elmgreen and Dragset have reimagined the traditional art experience, inviting us to reflect the act of spectatorship in our hyper-connected, image-saturated world. The Audience transforms the space into a cinematic environment where visitors become part of the artwork. A looping, dreamlike film written by the artist plays continuously, depicting an intimate conversation between a painter and a writer in their flat, discussing their creative practice. Surrounding this film are lifelike sculptures of seated figures, blurring the lines between observer and observed. As the artist describes, being part of an audience in a cinema or a theater implies being one of many of sharing an experience.
Thank you so much, and join us for more events like this.